Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Missybeelondon. Here is the finished hairstyle look, and you're gonna see how I created this look in a couple more seconds time. I mean, what do you think? You're gonna see how I do the 3 flat twists at the front of my head and the hair on my bun as well. Yo, sometimes I don't like parting lines with the comb, and it didn't even come out straight even then, but I gave up. These lines came out straight with the comb because I don't know, but yeah, you need patience sometimes to get these lines straight, and it's like I've not got the patience and I don't like it. But yeah, this came out good anyway, just apart from that line at the back, but so be it. Can you do flat twists? Which one do you prefer to do more, cornrows or flat twists? If you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I like to do either flat twists or twists because I find them easier to do and I find them easier to unravel. As you can see now, I am doing the first flat twist on my head. Starting to create the style right now, ain't I? I recorded this video like maybe a week ago or so, and I'm doing a voiceover a week ago or so afterwards, but hey, I'm getting it done because I nearly forgot about this video because things have been a bit busy recently. But I thought, let me sort this video out, edit it, voice over it, put it out on the channel. There you go, innit? How is everything? Yes, this video is recorded in December, getting close to Christmas now, literally just a couple more days. I mean, I can't believe it, but yes, my hair type is type 4B/C hair. It is short hair, it is kinky hair, it is coily hair, it is not straight hair, as you can see, and I have not used a blow dryer in my hair to straighten my hair for a long time now. I use a blow dryer in my hair to give it when I'm doing the deep conditioning process. You know, when you've got the hooded hair bonnet attachment thing you attach to the blow dryer, that's when I use heat in my hair. But I've not used heat in my hair to straighten it out for a long time. It doesn't work. It reverts back to kinky coiliness so quickly. It's like, you know what, I give up. Let my hair be, so be it. Now I'm doing a second line to do the next part of the flat twist. You saw in the beginning that there's going to be 3 flat twists at the front of my head, and I'm just doing the line there. Look, this is the struggle is real. I'm such a perfectionist sometimes that it takes me a while to think that the line is straight, that the line is nice, that the line is all good. Hey. This is why you don't really see me use my comb in videos, because I take too long. Literally, I take too long. And because my hair is thick as well, the struggle is kind of real. So let me just do combing, parting lines off camera because I take too long. This video is being sped up just a little bit, not too fast, not too slow, just a little bit, because it's a simple style at the end of the day. But yeah, this is the second one. Hope you're okay. Hope everything is going good with you. YouTube journey, YouTube struggles, lad. Hopefully 2020 will be a better year than 2019. You can do it. We are behind you. Yes. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Just trying to fill in some time, ain't I? Oh yeah, I forgot to say I do flat twists and then I twist it to the end, as you can see. Yeah, I need to sort out my ends. My ends are getting a bit knotty again. It's like, what is going on? But I need to use a different product on the ends of my hair, or to moisturize the ends of my hair more regular than I do the scalp, so to say. But yeah, I'll figure it out. Doing the last flat twist in my head now. Yeah, as you guys know, there's a mirror to the side of the camera. You can't see it, but I have it there so I can see what I'm doing, because I don't know. Not say I don't know, but I can't use the viewfinder on the camera because it's a little bit small, and the mirror is a little bit better. But yep, there you go. The third one is done. This is it. My hair was a little bit dry. That's why you see me picking it a little bit, because it's a little bit dry. But hey, the idea came to my head to do this hairstyle. This is what I wanted to do. Get it done. Get it done. I put it all back in that bun, and now I'm getting that kinky ponytail. Afro puff. Yes, kinky ponytail. The Afro puff. And I just clip it in and gives my hair a little bit of volume. I mean, look at it. Similar colour to my hair as well. I only paid like £10 for it. Well, £9.99. That's what I paid for it. This is it. What do you think? Do you like it? You gonna rock it? You gonna copy me? Let me know. Tag me if you're gonna do this hairstyle on Instagram, because I am more active on Instagram as well. Missybeelondon on Instagram, yeah. But don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well, because there will be hair videos coming out, more hair videos, hair reviews, all that stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video anyway, and thank you for watching.